Can I just say that for me, when the online shift, I have to say, because we didn't get to share, when the online shift happened, Jennifer's background reminded me of what my home looked like. Cause it was, for me, it changed everything. Moving, helping, even family was moving. So my background actually looked like that. And I remember sitting at the edge of my dresser, my first time really using Zoom frequently. And I had my laptop on like the corner of it so that the one piece of like white clear wall in my room, that's all people would see. They wouldn't see the boxes and the mess and all that stuff. And I was really, yeah, I was very like, I thought I had to contain. And now, my screen, I'm a lot more comfortable. I could say now, if I show up and I'm in my workout clothes or something, I just came from work, and people are okay with that. But at first I was very insecure and nervous to just, open up my life and the real backdrop behind me. And that's changed.
Yeah, that's so true. A lot has changed. Thank you for sharing that, Tabitha.